Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and environment. Make sure the phone or tablet is at room temperature and not in direct colored light. This prevents skewed readings. Once done, open Settings, tap Display and Brightness, and locate the True Tone toggle so you can switch it on and off. You do this now because toggling is the first actionable test. Seeing how the screen shifts immediately tells you True Tone is responding to ambient sensors. Keep the device upright and stable while you proceed. Now you perform a controlled comparison. First, turn True Tone off and take a screenshot of a neutral image, plain white or mid-gray, so you have a reference. Then turn True Tone on and take the same screenshot again. This isolates the display adjustment. Make sure to keep lighting and camera angle identical so differences come from the display, not photography. Once both images exist, view them full screen side by side, or send them to a computer to inspect color temperature and tint shifts accurately. Finish by analyzing what you see and acting on issues. You should notice the True Tone on screenshot appears warmer or slightly different in tint. That confirms it's working because the sensor adapts white balance to ambient light. If you see no change, make sure ambient light sensor isn't covered, restart the device, and retry. That fixes many sensor hiccups. If problems persist, recalibrate using a colorimeter, if available, or contact official support for possible sensor or software repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.